My friend, life is a journey, and every journey has hills, storms, and dark nights. But remember one truth: no storm lasts forever. Just because today feels heavy, it doesn't mean tomorrow won't shine. You have a fire inside you, a fire that is stronger than your fear, stronger than your doubts, and stronger than every problem standing in your way. Sometimes you forget your own power, but it is still there, waiting for you to rise again. Success is not only for special people, it is for anyone who keeps trying, anyone who wakes up each day and says, I will try again, anyone who falls and gets back up. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be committed. Every dream looks impossible before it becomes real. Every champion was once a beginner. Every winner has a story of struggle. So don't think you can't do it. You can. You absolutely can. When life pushes you down, push back. When your mind says, I can't, answer with I will. When you feel tired, rest, but do not quit. Remember, give up is the only way to lose. As long as you keep moving, you are winning. You may not see results today, you may not see results tomorrow, but every small effort is adding strength to your future. Believe in slow progress. Believe in small steps. Believe in yourself. Even on days when it feels hard, your story is not over. Your journey is not finished. Your best chapter is still being written. So lift your head, strengthen your shoulders, fill your heart with hope, and walk forward with courage. One day you will stand at the top and say, this is why I didn't give up. Keep going, you are capable, you are strong, and you can do it. Don't ever give up.